Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 8 of your 60-day English Fluency Challenge. Today, we are going to do something very practical, something that will help you in real-life situations. Because learning English is not just about practicing alone. It is about using English in real conversations, in real moments, in real situations. So today, we are going to practice everyday conversations that you might face in your daily life. Imagine this. You walk into a shop and someone asks you, "How can I help you?" What do you say? Many learners freeze in that moment, not because they do not know English, but because they are not used to responding. So today, we are going to train your brain to respond naturally. Let's start with a simple situation. You are in a shop. The person asks, "How can I help you?" You can say, "I am looking for something comfortable to wear, and I would like to see your options." Or you can say, "I just want to check a few things, and then I will decide." Simple, clear, and natural. Now imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. They say, "Nice to meet you." You can respond, "Nice to meet you too. I am happy to meet you, and I hope we can have a good conversation." Then they ask, "What do you do?" You can't say, "Right now I am focusing on improving my skills, and I am also working on my personal growth." Do you see how you are building sentences naturally? Now let's move to another situation. You are talking to a friend. Situation 3. Someone says, "You speak English well." You can respond, "Thank you, I am still learning, but I am trying to improve every day." Now let's move to your second exercise. It is called Extend the Conversation. Do not stop after one sentence. Add one more idea. For example, "I am practicing my English every day, and I feel more confident than before." Or, "I am learning English because I want to travel and communicate with people from different countries." This makes your English richer and more natural. Now let me give you a powerful tip. When you're in a real situation, you do not need perfect English. You just need clear English. Speak slowly, think simply, and express your idea. That is enough. Now let me say something important. Every day, you are getting closer to real fluency. You started with simple sentences, then you built patterns, then you started thinking in English. Then you practiced conversations, then you told stories, and now you are using English in real-life situations. This is progress. This is growth. And if you want to improve even faster, go back to your previous lessons. Practice those patterns in these situations. Combine everything you have learned. That is how fluency becomes natural. Now, before we finish, I want you to take action. Write in the comments, "Day 8 complete," and this time, answer this question in one sentence. What would you say if someone asks you, "How was your day?" For example, "My day was productive, and I spent some time improving my English, which made me feel confident." Keep it simple. Keep it real. This is Laura, and remember, English is not just something you learn. It is something you use. I'll see you in day 9. Keep going!